postmodern world of ours, there are some intuitively extraordinary and creative living creatures also known as human beings. We, after long adventures through the different phenomena of our day-to-day life, the surrounding nature, and even through different questions of our own life, we now focused our mind to several hypothetical questions. Like, what is the beginning of the universe? Maybe what is the aim of our life? Or what is there after death? Now, taking an example of such hypothetical question, the Big Bang Theory. As the Big Bang Theory is one of the leading hypothetical questions for both scientific and mythological religious answers, it has millions and millions types of answers present in each and every one of your mind. What is the cause of the whole universe around you? Maybe the Hindu deity Brahma, maybe a strong infinite source which manifested itself into different forms, or maybe the explosion of two objects. Friends, I am sure along with such millions of examples like this, there are several types of answers, and these answers in the society can be categorized into two main sections: religion and science. Just as exampled in geometry, are they like two parallel lines having no connection between them? Are they just two completely different thoughts? But are they just like a Rubik's cube, having different views from different directions? A very good evening to one and all present here. Today, I delve you into a topic which I think is very much important for us, especially the students who study science as an object and has religion as one of the culture of us. Today, I am going to not only talk about the different aspects of them, but I am going to change your mind by saying that they are actually the same. You see, in our day-to-day life, we are surrounded by different concepts of physics, chemistry, biology. You see motion, different chemical substances, mixing, life processes, respiration, what not. You even studied it like a subject. But at the end of the day, we too can't forget our Sri Ram, our Sri Hanuman, our Lord Shiv, who is the basis of their mythology, of our religion. Then what is the correct? You question yourself. Is it religion or science? I may say that there is one thought which manifested itself into different forms, what you see around you. And religion and science are just two ways of perceiving that thought. We the humans from the earliest times have been very much creative upon finding different answers to these questions. What is afterlife? What is death? What is God? What is religion? What is this? What is that? And just like this, science and religion are just two different ways of answering these questions. Brothers, not only in the bookish language, but I have different and several types of examples which shows the coinciding of these two thoughts. From the tickling of the clock to the speech I am giving now, each and everything has science and religion. From the deliberation of my speech through sound energy to the mind which is giving the speech, the confidence, the faith, religion. You see, as religion says, there is one energy which manifested itself into different forms, forming different objects. Science too says, every object has one energy, electron, proton, but it is different. It is manifested in different forms because of the different amount of electrons present in there, which is one table, a chair, maybe a camera. But not only this, you see, today USA is discovering several concepts and they are saying that they have discovered it first through the way of science. But do you know, millions of years back, we found the distance from earth to sun. Yug sahasra yojan parabhanu, lilyo tahi madhur falajanu. This is a line from the Hanuman Chalisa. Billions and millions of years back when Tulsidas wrote this, he described the distance from sun to earth, something 94 millions or light years, something like that. Not only this, but when Newton discovered gravity, not only 1,000 years, but maybe 2,000 years ago, Vadamihira discovered gravity. He described this as Madhyakarshan. And even the Parmanu, atomic structure. Niels Bohr invented atomic structure. But millions and maybe a lot before it, Indian scientists, Sushruta, several people invented Parmanu. Atomic bomb. Who is the inventor of atomic bomb? It is Robert Oppenheimer. And he said that he took the idea from our very own Bhagavad Gita. In Bhagavad Gita, it says that I am equal to the power of 1,000 suns and I can destroy many things. There is a slok, I just can't remember it at this moment. But you see, I have millions of examples like this. And the most turning point of my speech will be every great scientist and of India, which you take as an example, Vadamihira, Bhaskaracharya, Aryabhatta, were also great rishis, also great literaturists who exemplified their thoughts in the way of literature, through literature. But today, it is through science. Concluding my speech with a self-composed quote. It is only one thought which can be described as the book, and the summary may be the religion. And the way by we explore it is science. Both are the same, having their negative and positive sides, like those of superstitions, like those of positive impacts in the society, well as the negative impact. But both need to be integrated in a balanced way to propagate the young minds of us for a developed society. Thank you.